Welcome back to the Real Talk Motivation channel. The 2027 Kia Motorhome is finally here, and it's unlike anything Kia has ever built before. This futuristic luxury RV combines advanced Korean technology, premium comfort, and powerful performance into one incredible mobile home. Designed for travelers who want freedom without sacrificing luxury, the all-new 2027 Kia Motorhome is expected to become one of the hottest recreational vehicles in the United States market. From the outside, the 2027 Kia Motorhome looks bold and modern. The front fascia features Kia's latest EV-inspired grille design, with ultra-slim LED headlights stretching across the front. The body has smooth, aerodynamic lines, giving the massive motorhome a sporty and futuristic appearance. Large panoramic windows improve visibility and make the cabin feel open and bright. Kia also adds premium chrome accents, digital mirrors, roof solar panels, and massive alloy wheels that give this RV a true luxury presence on the road. Under the hood, the 2027 Kia Motorhome is expected to offer two powertrain options. The first model comes with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing around 420 horsepower. This version focuses on long-distance power and towing capability. The second option is a fully electric model, using Kia's next-generation EV platform. Reports suggest the electric motorhome could deliver more than 500 miles of driving range on a single charge, making it one of the most advanced electric RVs ever built. Performance is impressive for a vehicle of this size. The new adaptive air suspension system improves ride comfort and stability, especially on highways and mountain roads. Kia also includes all-wheel drive for better traction during rain, snow, or off-road camping trips. Drivers will notice the quiet cabin, smooth steering, and intelligent driving systems that make long road trips much easier. Inside the cabin, the 2027 Kia Motorhome feels more like a luxury apartment than a traditional RV. The dashboard features a massive curved digital display stretching across the front cabin with advanced AI voice controls, navigation, entertainment, and smart vehicle settings. Premium leather seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions create a first-class driving experience. The living area is where the Kia Motorhome truly stands out. Buyers get a full luxury lounge with a retractable sofa, smart ambient lighting, large OLED television, and panoramic skylight. The kitchen includes a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, sink, and modern storage cabinets. Kia designed the interior using eco-friendly premium materials that feel both luxurious and sustainable. The bedroom area includes a king-size smart bed with adjustable settings and hidden storage compartments underneath. The bathroom features a luxury shower, automatic toilet system, illuminated mirrors, and modern touchscreen controls for water and climate functions. Some high-end trims may even include a compact washer and dryer system for long-term travel convenience. Technology plays a major role in this new motorhome. Kia equips the 2027 model with Level 3 autonomous driving capability, allowing semi-self-driving support on major highways. Advanced safety systems include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and smart parking assistance.